Well, whether you live in a big house or a one-bedroom apartment, everyone has that corner or that room in their house that needs a little glow up. Not to worry, because here to show us some innovative ways to spruce up our space without breaking the bank is interior designer Kristy Kay. Hi, Kristy.
Hi, Kit. Thanks for having me.
Oh, my talented friend. We are excited because I love one of your latest transformation, the little nook that you made over. Tell us what the space was used for before.
Oh, it was one of those random spaces in the house that just collected clutter. I mean, what a great use of space after a good purge.
Okay, first of all, it is darling. Let's begin with the wall, the accent wall. Why is that so important?
You know, I love peel and stick wallpaper. You can use this in any space, and it's commitment free. It's an instant way to add some big style to the space. It's inexpensive. The rolls are $10 to $30 online. And I love all these online retailers give you a calculator. So you don't have to worry about how much do you order. You put in your measurements and it tells you. It's a great, great tool.
Wait, I have some here. So walk me through how easy it is.
It's so easy. It's a one-person job, not like the mess of the traditional wallpaper here. So it's peel and stick. So what I like to do is start up in a corner and slowly peel back that back layer. And as you smooth, you peel a little bit more and you just go down the wall. So you're doing a great job. Exactly. Wait. And take that brush and just smooth out those air bubbles. Uh-oh. And if it's a little crooked, peel it back off and re-stick it.
Wait, don't. I've got some bubbles, but I pulled a little weird. It's so smooth up here, but I can see when you get the rhythm down how great this would be.
Exactly. You know, I do love using that brush or the roller to make sure the air bubbles are out and the seams are all stuck together. It's just really easy.
What about the window treatment? I'm looking behind you. What's the key to getting this right?
The days of those metal blinds are just gone, thankfully. So here, by adding window treatments, you can really inject some major style into transforming your space. You can do each window for $30. I'm asked this question all the time. Where should the drapes fall? Well, the answer, they should just kiss the floor. You don't want them to puddle. You don't want them to be too short, just to kiss that bottom floor line. You want to go wider and higher. And this really lets the window let as much light in as possible. If privacy is an issue, you can see behind me, a window sheer kind of gives you that layer that gives you the privacy, but still lets the light through.
That's a great little tip I'm going to steal. How important is an accent piece?
Oh, accents. We love them. So here I did a great chair, a throw pillow. I love a throw blanket to keep it cozy. And design trick is layer in the texture. So we have a leather ottoman with a faux hide on top of it for softness, a driftwood storage trunk that keeps some items I don't want on display, accessible but kind of hidden. All those layers really add the personality to what you're doing.
Thank you so much for sharing all this with us.
Thank you.
For more tips, guys, please check out Kristy's website, and we'll be right back. Thanks, Kristy.